Hello Genius! Welcome back to my channel. Here we are again for another series of CE Math Board Exam problem. Our question: find the slope of the line that passes through point 1 and 2 if the area is bounded by this line and the coordinate axis in the first quadrant is a minimum. So we know that the slope of the line, the symbol of the slope of the line in mathematics is equal to m, which is the rise over the run, which is equal to the change in y over the change in x, which is like this. It looks like this. For example, this is the slope of the line. So this is the change in y or the change in x, and this is the point 1 and this is the point 2. See, if this is the graph of the x and y axis, so this is the x axis and this is the y axis. Now if we have to graph this point 1 and 2, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, that means they are on the first quadrant because they are all positive. So if x is equal to 1, we will designate this is 1, this is 2, and this one this is 1 and this is 2. This is for the y-axis. Now, if we will grab this, where is this one? 1 and 2. So, if we will make this one, this is 1 and this is 2. That means it is on this side, the point. So, anong sinasabi dito? Ang area is bounded by the line and the x and y coordinate. That means if we will do like this, it cannot be. If we will do like this, it cannot be. So, there is no other way except to pick like this. So, that means it will be bounded by the x-axis and the y-axis, which is the area. So, this is the line. Let's look of the line. So, this is the area bounded by the slope of the line and the x and y axis. Ito maging right triangle yan. So, ito yung x, ito yung y. So, this point here, 1 and 2, this is the one here, and this is the one here, 1 and 2. So, from this, siniseparate natin ito, linagay natin dito. So, ito, meron dito, this is the point 1 and 2. This is the one here. So, this one here, because this is 1, so this must be 1 also. The x is 1, and that the y, so this one from here to here is 2. The height from here to this y is equal to 2. Now, this we can solve the x by using ratio and proportion. Why? Because meron tayong big triangle and this is also the small triangle in the same angle and same direction. So, by ratio and proportion, y, which is this one, the total is this y, over x is equal to, what is this one here? This one is equal to y minus 2. this one is equal to, because this is y and this is 2, so this is y minus 2. So y minus 2 divided by 1, because this one is 1, this is 1, so this is the same, this is straight here, so this is 1. Therefore, we can solve the x here. X therefore is equal to y cross multiplying y times 1 is y divided by y minus 2. This is our x. Now, what we are looking for here is the slope of the line. So we have to find the x and the y. Now, by using the area formula, area of this triangle, this is the one here, bounded by the line and the x-axis and the y-axis, area is equal to 1/2 the base, which is the x, times the y, which is the height. So, we will substitute the value of x, which is equal to y divided by y minus 2. This is the value of x, and multiply by y, which is equal to y squared over y minus 2 multiplied by 1/2. Now, this one we can solve only this using the derivatives. We have to take the derivatives of A, the area, with respect to y. U over v is y squared over y minus 2. Our u here will be y, and v is equal to y minus 2. So from this, our u is equal to y squared, our v is equal to y minus 2. Now, taking the derivative of, this is the formula of derivative of u over x, v du dx minus u dv dx divided by v squared. This is the formula for derivative of u over v, which is equal to v, the derivative of u with respect to x, minus u, the derivative of v with respect to dx divided by v squared. So from this area, which is equal to y squared over y minus 2 multiplied by 1/2, if we will take the derivative of area with respect to y, will be equal to what is our v here? Our u is equal to y squared, and our v is equal to y minus 2. This is the one here. Our v is equal to y squared, and our u is equal to y squared, and our v is equal to y minus 2. Therefore, if we will substitute this one, the derivative of a area with respect to y is equal to 1/2 multiplied by v. What is v? Is y minus 2. The derivative of u with respect to this is the derivative of this one. Derivative of du is equal to 2y. And the derivative of v is equal to 1. Because 1 times 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So y raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 1. So v, which is y over 2, y minus 2, multiplied by du dx. What is du dx is equal to 2y minus eu, which is y squared, multiplied by dv dx, which is equal to 1, divided by, what is v? V is equal to y minus 2. So v squared. So y minus 2 squared. Now here, because it says here that the area in the first quadrant is a minimum, that means, so 1/2 times y minus 2y. So y by 2y. So y 2y, so 2y squared. Y times 2y minus 2y times 2 times 2y is equal to 4y minus y squared over y minus 2 squared. Now, y is equal to 4. Using the x we solved earlier, which is equal to y divided by y minus 2. So ry is 4. And the y also is 4 minus 2. That means 4 divided by 2. Y therefore, x therefore is equal to 2. Going back to our graph, which is this one, the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. We said that this is 1 and this one is 2, so this is the point. Means this is the line. This is the straight line. This is the point. Therefore, we can, as we said earlier, that the slope of the line is equal to the change in y with respect to the change in x, or the rise over the run. So this is our x, y, x1, y1. So we have y, which is 4, minus y1 is 0, over the x, which is equal to 0, minus the x is equal to 2. M therefore, the slope of the line therefore is 4 divided by negative 2, which is equal to negative 2. This is the slope of the line we're looking for.